Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI and I want to show you this amazing dress by DRESSTELLS, and it is so nice. It is a cocktail dress. This one here is navy blue. It has a 3/4 length sleeve. It is so nice. It has this beautiful bow as well. You can put it in a bow. You can tie it loosely if you want to. Do it however you want. It has a nice long zipper at the back. The thing I like about this dress is I'm a very curvy, short person, so this seems to fit me in all the right places to make it extremely flattering. The material is so nice. I really love it. It's nice and loose, and you don't get too hot in it. It has a bit of stretch to it as well. I really love the fact too that this dress comes in so many different colors. So if this is something that fits you well, you can get other colors as well. And not just the one, especially if it's something that you know that fits you great. This is one of my go-to dresses. The length is just perfect. It's nice and long and elegant, and I just love the way it looks. That's just my point of view.